Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John don't come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do. Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man now give you no break. Not even your eyes now give you no breaks. Hey, hey, bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, or what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you?
Tell me how you seek your man. You tell me all your secret spells. You tell me how you learned to tell nice boys that he fell. I know a ghost can walk through walls, yet I am just a man still learning how to fall. Try to reimagine me, and I'll reinvent myself. Still I remember scenes of when you looked at someone else. I know.
Well, now, don't you tell me to smile. You stick around, I'll make you wet your wild. But numbers beyond what you can dial. Maybe speak cause I'm so versatile. Style, profile, I said, it always brings you back when I hear ooh child. From the hunter never out to the now. I run the marathon to the very last mile. Well, if you battle me, I will provide. People always say my style is wild. You've got call, you've got gal. Step to me, I'm a rap profile. If you wanna battle, you're in denial. Coming from your anus to check my style. Go ahead, put my rhymes I'll try. Cast you off into exile. Jazz and A-Wall, that's our team. I like my sugar with coffee and cream. Well, I gotta keep it going full steam. Too sweet to be sour, too nice to be. I'm too keen to change the world. I'm a flying scheme. Mario C likes to keep it clean.
How's your wife?
I don't have one.
What time is it?
Should I turn off the body cam for this one?
Maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off. Well, but are we issued body cams?
Thought we were. How we're on training? Did you not get one?
I don't think so. Oh wait, I'm also the.
Oh, you're not a real cop. You're security.
No, I am a real
Oh,
cop.
you're not a real that's fine.
I'm like SWAT. Just no, we didn't have the budget, so it says shorty on it. Oh. Even though I'm like average height, above average.
How's the goldfish?
I don't have a goldfish.
How's the bat?
You know, I can't wait for this to end. You are just. I don't like your personality whatsoever. You know what? I'm just gonna. I think we can't find him. I'm gonna leave. Yeah. I mean, at this point, I think he's out of the building. He's out of our jurisdiction.
Chris? Is that him? That's probably fine.
Hey, wait.
Fingers pop like a bitch when the neck up, Mr. Spot.
Do we have a warrant?
Can we touch him? Can we do anything about this?
I mean, he's in the elevator. Can we, wait, stop.
No, sir.
Stop.
Go by the name of the King and Rock.